na Outspa Show and a VTFM. Vito Konikina.
O Punja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM e Camila Gaikachi.
And welcome to Outspa Show. We say thank you so much for tuning in this morning. And to all our friends who are tuning in from overseas. And we say all over the world, all over the country this morning on Thursday, a beautiful Thursday morning. And to all the students enjoying their school break.
Okay.
And ngonongo apakah kini biki menikah dari bagi silisia na lutu esele eviti kerutuma and buni mbose oviti ando in suba and singa binang ni kura madongo kabusi bitala biki menin songo lutu giringiri.
Iya.
And buni nomuni songo butu di bawah virtu bana sesepakara.
Dinasar.
And madongo. Na baru bilang biki menin tumu-tumu dan bisusu. Maru tayo chukun ang rasera kina buli na matali kuwa. Ikemeni kada saravito kan bulu mayna bito languni sala. Ikemeni kada lingna bin garabi na biyo. Tali ni bulan ni sarunua. Niana di mata binaka.
Welcome to all the students who they liking their holidays at home.
Alright.
Thank you very much. Like yours to Jonathan Nikoro. Especially to all the mamas.
Yeah.
Misa, they sleep well this morning.
British Columbia.
Oh, Jonathan Nikoro. Melina Valebu, thank you very much for tuning in and the family. And it's everyone who about to go to farm this morning.
Dina.
Some of the family, they already came back for the farming.
Some now they are in the sering na buli. At tolinali camp by Bikaw.
Right.
We will go and camp in the bush.
Yeah.
So this is your task. Gonna namutas.
Yeah.
This is your task. Today, this holiday, you'll plant 100 for your Yangona.
Oh.
See, you are in Form 3 now.
Yeah.
Form 3, Form 4, Form 5, year 12, year 13. 5 years, you'll harvest, you'll pay for your school fees. Or you'll pay, you'll buy a new house. 100 for this year, 100 for next year, 100 for the other year. This time, 300 by 100 equals to 30 grand.
To temi langi. Nabewa kau taman ni latui nabewa kau.
Taman latuyo.
Iya be laite taman latui mai nabewa kau saloma le tu mo temilangi mai na bunole bo America. Ena mataka binani kuai.
All right. Bagaimana anda akan Rabi Tolili to all the drivers sitting this morning. We say Anda Benak and Bulu Benak. Welcome to Outspa Show. Apakah kini bagaimana Vito akan dulu mana Viva Limbula. Dapat itu mata Viva Limbula ni Anda ni mata Benaka. Kabosi bagaimana lalu Vivi tu siapa tu berbeza buru-buru mata kau. Okay, baik.
Door there, road there.
Okay, this one question I would like to ask Demesi this morning.
Julum.
Okay. For all human beings, we have only one life there, Subway.
Right.
We have only one life on this earth.
Of course.
Listen, I was saying, according to our belief, we wait for the next life.
All right.
Maybe death or eternal life. Okay. How about go on Outspa Show? If there's one sickness, it's going to be mati. Okay. Na mati ngo gaba buna. Oko besin rin pa kami mati nga utsinga ron singa. Utsabe kami mote nga. Utsa talma pa kami bultali.
Oh.
Ya ukila ni sinra wa.
Baka may vangi tortal tunte mati na mati.
Itu
mas sama gitu Rico paling ngarang.
Nuk sa sin mati raw. Nata ba what?
Kan bale. The sickness is give me another chance. Ang nga umbulo may kiro da takyaw.
Right. But no member kitosinga sen steady bukan dua. Law sale sinra ni mati. Meta mo sale bangureda.
Kaya baka mo sali na ulo sumbutali.
Baka na
baka mo umbulo.
Baka na bikibrin na kikito.
Kami tahu moderator.
Action takat suka dan itu live page ngo. Na tuloy demis. Baka na iba ko nimbay. Mesabaya.
Oy, bako nimba.
Iya, baka nimbay.
Oy,
mesayu.
Ala ora kilala tayo talatangan ni.
Saya enggak mesaya tu bikon naman talaga
matagal. Kau matangali ba ya? Na kay kinatala sa la komendo sa settle kay baka takinakaw meta kinanda ni buwak. Ala ko ngo sa limbuto ni kila, because of that type. Who is cooling down and bed down?
Maybe only you and Bis. Bis nga nandrung ibalu.
Oh, yan namin naka from Nukto dia and Lebu Kingaw. From Ngaw.
Nga takya tu na chikin ngom. All the body parts are sharp.
Imagine if you bend,
When guys na ngomong nga sa baka na iba ko nimbay. Bisa pasar nga.
Kor le dungo tatan le untuk point.
that time.
Yeah.
And what you said.
Yeah.
So
It
myself
will be
alone
back.
or with who?
Huh?
No, you were still with the family.
Yeah.
And then
Sarto na likada ng ngone asali baka makubul mi bido ko.
Oh.
Yeah. Na second no
Usera
number.
no yung bula binaka.
Iya.
Iya.
Kebale, when Demes speak, he will not speak like food to you, Because I'm backward.
Makala mulai
Mas banana kitel tu.
mulai mo start to may malo di siya. Kamadong mula.
Iya.
Who will be o di nandun do mikir no sota?
Iya.
Who will be
Dia
there?
ko sa bulo tu ngalo man bikaw.
Oh. Law kilala tayo na buong tangan. Iya, it's very good, eh?
Yeah.
Tamalo is saying that our set is very, very nice.
Oh, benar
And
ka?
asking to spare set this morning.
Okay, gonna. So this is our set for the 40th, the CFL 40th birthday
Iya.
this year. Okay. Alright, do talo mo.
Mai.
If you could give a name to your favorite kitchen appliance, what would it be? Na kitchen appliance. Tuko na main doon na ni bali kurro, yung do talita ka bali.
Sabin?
Sabin niya asis. Mommy,
Yeah.
the kitchen appliance I like
Yeah.
to naisanga. Naisanga.
Ano ba?
Naidula.
Oh, naidula?
Yeah.
Okay, totak. Okay.
Naisanga.
Dongo. Which school subject is the most embarrassing?
School subject is a general subject.
General subject. Okay. Dongo, what's the worst smell?
What smell is when you smell. My smell is in the
Rotase ba? What's your favorite room in your home?
The favorite room
Yeah.
is a room of Mary.
Okay.
Yeah.
Explain.
Because the room of Mary consists of love,
Yeah.
consists of loyalty,
Yeah.
consists of fruitfulness,
Ini rawai pula.
consists of forgiveness,
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Understanding.
understanding,
Love, understanding, and forgiveness.
humility,
Yeah.
consists of
Connection, deep connection.
deep connection,
Yeah.
consists of
Trust.
trust
Right.
and eternity.
Wana na po, Demis.
Yes.
Wana na.
Kunin ko sa mo. Yeah.
Do you have any embarrassing secret talents?
Before we go to that question, I would like to say good morning to Captain Romo Lenieta, to Bisa nganan Rungi Valu. At tapos lang tutunggo, tinaytalay, fina tambunitonga. Good morning, ili raway mbula pedi, ang rabinaka.
Yeah.
Kami may rabaw kedita ko, nakila toroko, and good morning. Come again, the question.
Any secret talent?
The secret tunnel.
We know, okay, you can sing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sing,
Yeah.
we can sing.
Right.
Alone,
Right.
a group,
Right.
or a community.
Hindi na.
There is a secret.
choir, maybe a choir member.
Maybe a choir.
Yeah.
So there is a secret talent.
Yeah.
When you are
Secret tunnel.
secret talent Zurmosa. Yeah. So come.
If rainbows could talk, what would they talk about and sound like? Kaya kami daw boss, ha? Kami kami boss, ha? Nandron-ro lang eh.
All right.
Natabi na tukulitiko.
They will talk about the color and different meaning in color.
Yeah.
So when you see a rainbow, the red color
Yeah.
means danger.
Right.
When you see the blue, the deepest love of somebody.
Right.
When
right.
you see the orange, it means there is a lemonade. So when you see a purple, you see a different meaning.
Yeah.
Loyalty,
Okay.
trustworthy.
Yeah.
Different color have symbolized
Yeah.
different meaning
Right.
in life.
Kaya ka mabuhat tayo kung mabuhat daw.
Kaya kami buwata,
Iyo.
there is a winakata mi buwani.
What's the buwani?
The buwani
Iyo.
is when you born a place.
Iyo.
Especially when you doing the modaka na muere. Na were?
Iyo.
Kung na were man daw daki na were mi teubi.
Right.
So before you teubi, you have to burn the na muere.
Iya.
Before you may sama-sama binaka.
Yeah.
So when after that, the pioneer plants
Yeah.
that coming from there
Yeah.
together with the buani. The buani, it's like a tomato.
Yeah.
Okay.
But they are...
Is it the debu?
Debu no, that's the yandre. We call it the kosipeli.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So that's a different one.
Different one.
Oi.
This one is another one. It's a buani.
Yeah.
They normally grow on a place where there is nanrusa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, afterburn.
Yeah.
Especially to the tree trunk.
Yeah.
They used to grow there.
Oi.
Yeah.
The kalay kanamboro, no?
Makalebu, this one is bigger. It looks like a tomato.
Oi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, you know, the
Yeah.
brown one.
Yeah.
The buani because sometimes it's like a buchi, yeah.
Yes.
Right.
We call them bulo.
Oh, the
Okay.
bulu.
That's a bulo.
Okay. Right. Data ba chukun bakasa manang sarangango this time?
Aku sana saya taling kain tanong ko ba sa matunong ko. Satu tulong ko or tumikanda.
Okay. Last one.
Come.
Have you called anyone during the night?
We call off duty.
Maybe you don't call.
We call off duty. The game.
Use your hand.
The game.
The game. The call of duty. Mana ni belaka? Tomorrow I'll go to the village.
Yeah.
I want to see the village.
Why?
I miss my mom. I miss my parents. I miss the boys back home.
Yeah.
The last time I visit the village back in the Sekulu Niasa.
Oi.
It's a long time, 5 years or 6 years now.
Yeah.
I want to see the village,
Yeah.
the boys, especially the children of my brother.
Okay.
They never
Dina.
saw me, I never saw them.
Yeah.
We want to know each other.
Right. One of them.
Today is my last day.
Yeah.
So 1 week break and we'll leave from the Out Palangi.
Yeah.
I miss you too.
Isa.
I will take your photo.
All the best. Bye. Lolong giris ke rumah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We love you all.
Yes. Tangga hindi kinada ni sereng gosin ko tanda mo lomen na madu.
Yeah.
Na lama le bundar waso takit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Rudy Wanga.
Dombula.
Pulo ka maram tawata. Sande kay
Lute ralube.
Rudy Wanga.
Lute ralube. Lute. Andra binaka lute. Wasiti bosa vale. Oh, andra binaka ilavi komai suban rolangi. Isa, kito sa mate-mate na din parang oteningo. Komai suban rolangi.
Isa.
Aku ilang tambalo fada buan itu ko bisa.
Hey, Fama.
Cito lutu. Andra binaka tawa tango may waibo may rewa.
Oh, yan pernah kaya Rita.
Isa, pinabali usar siya mabuli mai. Ilia bidang ili Sawani Road mangio lebu.
Oi.
Ndemis kisamung gelawang kalampasan ko.
Yan ra.
Timay maralulu. Oni binaka. Nani bunda.
Saya kagak.
Oh, rono ka family,
Family.
Oh, sabi Eliki batiki Seva.
Iya.
Eliki batiki Seva. Ano pernah kah?
Iya. Arnayanra. Aun dolo saranganan rede bis nganan rungi balu. Isa. Bis ana binaka santin desar tong kay sota en live abinabali usar sa mga ngora turangan lebu kay ngaw. Ndara ko may lebu kay ngaw, may ngaw lebu kay ngaw.
Iyo.
Lebu ko ngaw.
Ngo ka turangan inukuto dia.
Oh, ama inay.
Mako bis.
Oy, ama inay siyam sing na lebu ekato.
Wai kato.
Yan ra, yan ra pernah kah?
Ne kato.
Oh. Oy,
Ano
kato
sa
mo rin
limas?
na.
Wani ni binataltungan na songo lebu ni family reunion ni ngo na buwale ni Yosef Omas. Na masikaw family reunion.
Kimana tikin na kami kuwa.
Siya nga uli na koro. Maakas ka marumbo ka ni wala uli bu.
Iyo.
Ay remba. Ay da no baka sa satu.
Kini mambalo kami na kay ponto ni akabi ni los taka tini ponto matakalay. Matakalay man takang hotel may to ni
Siya nga matakal boy ugere mato niya ambas ka basinarua. Lako. Asom pwede na ko ka ambiso wa udan ro kirimena ko rotong kirimena ko to ni tambi tunaw da may vanoli.
Doten me solem son taxi may nabuwalo no.
Boy,
Wait na sa taxi ng bawal na koro.
tonan Ronaldola, si
Don Ronaldo.
90.
Oi.
Ngo ko na ni taxi korto mi kabi kito na mangay viti, ya, siya ngay viti.
Iya.
Ngo ko na twin cab, ko taxi.
Nakata ka mawala ito ng baskel.
Basikili mi suru imbuno. Iyo very far from
Sa
the village.
motopay.
$5 bus fare.
Sito no moto pa. Next time masalah sa no moto pa ko
Yeah,
kayo.
good for Tasil.
Iya.
Oh, asik yang there, no, the big stone.
No, we
Go
got
for
some motorbike, the rugged one. Ka binang sana. Iyo.
Ko da
Kaka tang flower nila kamay
hill
po.
climb.
Ah?
Ko da hill climb.
Akhir kalian ba ni ka naluto nga kung baka matakalele na level pothole. Iyo, kaya dami ng ball sabi akaratan. Iyo, ni po yung very the big hole there.
Radi lute nen sigo mo lute.
Lute ang rabi na kambuna.
Sana tabal moto pa.
Iya.
Bitul lah mana ka. Nam shopping.
Sa tabay kek itu sa kamar babay klase, biyan sa bere iwala deko.
Alright, go kurmundu.
Turota